It is 8:30 a.m. and it is entirely too late for me to be this tired. I'm really tired. Everyone's getting up. We're gonna get some breakfast and then Felicia's parents are gonna pick us up. It's exciting. So we are getting breakfast. We got Dunkin' Donuts. I got pumpkin bagel. Felicia, what did you get?
I got bacon, egg, and cheese on a plain bagel.
Yay. And Maya already ate.
I did.
But she has... We just see right through me. Why I wish that I knew how to swim. Be a man. You must be swift as a coursing river. With all the force of a great typhoon.
Guys, what's going
With
on
all
over there?
the strength of a raging fire. Mysterious as the dark side of the moon. Hi.
Hello.
We're on the road now. It's exciting. But we're stuck in traffic because apparently there is a fair.
Yeah.
Yep.
And my mom said we should have taken exit 49, but my dad took exit 50.
Anyway. We made it! We are walking. We're live. Except there are cars going really close to us. It's really scary. But they're really pretty trees, so I'm gonna show them to you. Yeah. Look, lots of colors. Guys, we're in the corn maze. Oh, there are cool activities. Corn, lots of corn. So much corn. But I love the corn.
So you guys have to
No, you have to do it. We all have to do it. Come on, here we go. Clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity clop. Wild Felicia in her natural habitat.
Huh?
So the wild Felicia in her natural habitat. I don't know where to go now. Do we turn right?
Yeah.
Really?
No. Wait, is this a path?
I don't know.
See where it takes us.
I don't know where we're going. So, we entered phase 1, and we were supposed to hypothetically exit phase 1.
We exited phase
We
2.
exited phase 2. So now we're gonna enter phase 2, and hopefully
Exit phase 1.
exit phase 1. How do you guys think this is gonna turn out?
It's going great.
I think if we walk sideways and sing ants go marching on. Okay.
Ants go marching one by one, the little one stops to do
Take a
something.
dump.
Maya just said,
She's Indiana Jones, but with chites.
does that make sense?
No.
So we just found out that this is Maya's first ever corn maze.
Yeah.
How you liking it so far, Maya?
It's
I
it's
can't
fun.
see you.
Like
Okay.
I mentioned, I'm like Indiana Jones, but with a skirt.
And tights.
I think we're about to exit.
I think
Except-
exit phase 2 again.
Yep, we did.
Why? What is with phase 1, and why can't we do it?
I don't know. Oh, wind. Well, we did it! Yay! So Felicia and I are about to go on the jumping pillow.
It's going to be amazing. I'm really excited.
It's basically like a bouncy house thing without walls.
Or the
Or
roof. Or a net to catch you if you fall off.
Yep. So Maya here is going to record our adventure on the pillow.
I'm wearing everything.
She is. She's carrying all of our stuff. It's pretty great.
Hey, safety first.
going through the mini maze, and what it is back and forth and back. We're about to go down this slide. Oh, that is. Woo!
Oh my goodness.
So guess where I am right now? Where I'm sitting on sitting on a saddle on a log. 'Cause why not? We're about to pick pumpkins! So many pumpkins. So many pumpkins. Pumpkin pyramid! Felicia found her pumpkin!
It's the perfect little round pumpkin, and it's making me happy.
There's that one over there. Can you grab it for me? The right boob.
We found our pumpkins! Wait, Maya, where are you? Pumpkin. Alright, so we got our pumpkins, and that kind of ends our day at the farm. We're gonna drive back to Boston now. We had a really